And special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their motor-driven cordless glue gun. It even includes 10 glue sticks. Believe in power. So this company logo there. Back, cordless hot glue gun, motor-driven cordless glue gun. Nothing same. Let's open it up. In here we have, that's everything out of the box. So we have a full instruction manual giving you all the details you'll need to know about using this rechargeable cordless glue gun. Here are your 10 included sticks. Yes, there's actually 10, I counted. Here's a nice little stand. How it seems to work, this stand plugs in with USB-C, and then you're able to take your cordless glue gun. Your glue goes in back here, and this will just attach to the stand to charge. And of course, they include a nice USB Type-C cable to charge your glue gun. Your glue gun also has a USB Type-C cable on the bottom. So you don't have to use this. This is just a really nice option, especially for somebody who might be using this a lot. This is essentially it. Got a little power button here. Press that to turn it on. Put your glue in, hold your trigger, and use your glue gun. So that'll essentially do it for this cordless motor-driven glue gun. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you what you get here. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.